tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about money? Imagine a life where you have the freedom to do whatever you want with your family. Guys, it is day 4 of my 90-day success sprint to 30K, and I'm sharing my journey and my biggest takeaways from my mentor calls. And today, my biggest takeaway is knowing my why. Why did I want to start earning money online? Why did I start digital marketing? And guys, here's the thing. My why is because, to be frankly honest, I was struggling to make ends meet. I wanted more time with my family and knew that there had to be a way out because I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. I didn't want to lose more time with my son. I was tired of being overworked and underpaid. That's when I discovered the Legacy Builder program. It has allowed me to generate extra income, be able to break from my financial frustrations. I was even able to quit my 9-to-5, and now I am living life on my own terms, earning daily pay. And me and my husband are able to make those memories with our son without worrying about bills piling up. You see, digital marketing can give you the financial freedom. You'll be able to take those spontaneous trips. You'll be able to stop stressing over groceries, bills, and stop living paycheck to paycheck. It doesn't even require special skills or knowledge or a degree. All you need is a cell phone, access to Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. And if you're coachable and consistent, you can do this. So if you're ready to learn more about how you can start earning extra money from home and be able to live life you've always wanted with your family, I want you to put me in the comments because I would absolutely love to guide and help you through this journey and share more information and answer any questions that you may have.